This breakfast frittata in air fry recipe is really healthy and a must try for all the egg lovers. All you need is 4 eggs, chopped bell peppers, tomatoes and spinach. Start by spreading the parchment paper on the air fry tray. Drizzle some olive oil or any oil of your choice. You can also spread it with the help of a brush evenly on the parchment paper. Next, start cracking the eggs one by one. You can use the back of your knife to crack them just the way I did, or use any method in which you are comfortable. So here you can see that I have used 4 eggs, but you can increase and decrease the amount of eggs depending on your preference and the amount of servings. Next, with the help of a whisker, I'll be breaking the yolks gently and stirring them simultaneously. If you prefer yolks to stay intact and be in their own shape, then you can totally skip this step. Next, I'll be adding the yellow and red bell peppers along with the chopped tomatoes. So here I am chopping the stems of the spinach because I'll be needing the leaves as a topping later on. I'm gently lifting the parchment paper from all the edges to whisk the eggs on all the corners. Next, seasoning the eggs with salt and pepper. Some people like to do it in the end, so again it's all about your preference. Next, I'm putting the spinach leaves like I mentioned earlier. So as you can see, I didn't chop the spinach along with the other veggies because in the end it looks really pleasing when it comes out. So the frittata is done after putting it in the air fryer for 10 to 15 minutes. Personally, I like mine to be a bit soft and gooey, but if you like yours to be a bit crispy, then increase the heat and increase the timing. So the best part about this nutritious frittata is that you don't have to wash any greasy dishes afterwards. Just make it and enjoy yourself.